Okay, so right now we're going to have a look at the map function of the securityProbe web interface. Now you'll notice that right now I'm on the securityProbe summary page. And you'll notice that in the layout settings box here we have a little box that says map. And if we go ahead and tick that box, when the page refreshes you'll see that we get given this box that says map display. However, it says please set up map in the setup page. So we'll go ahead and we'll just uncheck the map again just to take us back to our original page. Okay, and we're going to go right ahead and we're going to click the map tab at the top here. Okay, and straight away we're presented with this big black window which says please upload map file, and we've got a red flashing button over here that says add new map, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so now we are within the map wizard, and we've got this option here to upload a new map. So we'll browse my system to find the image that I would like, and I believe that it's in a file map picture. So we'll just open that one, and we have our map. Okay, and now we'll click next. Okay, so there we can see we have our map, and we can now change the map name. So rather than map JPEG, let's change that to map of office. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and click next. Okay, and now we have the option to select this as the top level map as the parent map, which we'll leave as it is, and click next. And now it says that our map has been added successfully. Now if at this point we click finish, that's it, you've added your map. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some sensors to that map. So we will click next. Okay, so here we have our picture of our map, and here we have our map list, our online sensors, and if we scroll down this you'll see that we have humidity and our temperature. Now these are two temperature sensors that we can actually add onto our map, so the location of the sensor within that map. So we'll go ahead and we will click next. Okay, so now we've clicked next, you'll see that this unlock button is flashing, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to press unlock. Okay, so now we've done that, what we can actually do is we can actually grab these little sensor icons that are green. They would be red or yellow depending on the status, and we can get them and we can drag them across, and then we can place them anywhere we would like to on the map. So for example, we'll put one on this building right here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll click our humidity and we'll add that on let's say this building right here. Okay, once you've put the sensors where you would like them to be and you're finished, you go ahead and you click the lock button to lock them into place. Okay, so now that's done, and you'll see that on here if you click on any of these sensors it will actually display the humidity, it will display the reading and the status, and you can have the option here of show graph and sensor configuration. Also, what I'd like to point out that within the actual sensor setting page there is an option there that will say sensor URL. Now within the sensor URL, if you type in a website for that sensor, that will also be displayed here, and by clicking on the URL it will actually take you to the selected website that you have assigned for that sensor. So I just thought I'd let you know about that there. So we'll go ahead and we'll get rid of that box and we'll click finish. Okay, so there we are, that's pretty much it. Very, very easy. We're just going to go back to the summary page now. And now if we click the map box as before, there you can see it actually displays the map, and again by clicking on these sensors it will actually bring up all the information of the sensors. And that is how you add a map and add sensors to the map.